Flip. Okay, take care. Thanks, dude.
Yeah. So Blackbird is a bolted sport climb at the Ravens Castle in Skaha Provincial Park. It's a beautiful head wall of um, orange and gray and beautiful black streaks of rock. It sort of reminds me of climbing in Arapiles, actually, in Australia, with just that really like shield rock, things like Punks in the Gym, and a lot of those iconic, just bullet hard sport climb, face climbs. And it's quite technical and just off vertical, long moves, thin holds, slippery holds, and quite often really bad feet in the crux sections. So yeah, it took a couple of days to work it out for sure, and then just sort of dealing with, um, it faces basically southwest, so it gets a lot of sun, and just dealing with temperatures. I think I climbed this in October of 2018, and yeah, it was a pretty incredible climb, to be honest. Burly bouldering right up the head wall on, like I said, really small, pretty bad holds. And it was previously a project up until then. I know a couple of local developers had put some time into that wall, and this was just one of those unfinished lines that I was excited to give a try to. So yeah, it kind of just worked out. Pretty fired up.
Yeah. Come on, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! Yeah, Sonnie, come on. Yeah. Come on. Woo.
Serious?
Wow, that was hard for me.